started. I'll go ahead and take out the memory card here. Recording stopped.
Alright guys, finally got my new car dash cam, Rove 3. Just testing it out real quick. And this is a good one. I don't have the hardware kit. I don't have the hardware kit for the parking mode. So I got it without it. The hardware kit is about $30. But I never installed it before. But I got this, so I got it without the hardware kit. So to $200, there you go. And this is a good one. Faster process on transferring model memory to your phone. Touch screen. Brand new 2023. Now I'm gonna catch those illegally drivers, the one cutting me off. Yep. Take them out. That's Honda Electric. Oh, I see it. TRX having addiction still there. So the house still for sale. Open house. Oh, it's an open house. Okay. Oh, somebody living there right now. Yeah, I see somebody. Yeah. It's still set for sale. Yeah. It's set for sale. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm just checking. Yeah, this is the house I want right here. Stop, you get off that phone. See, that's exactly what I'm talking about. He's a young dude. Shouldn't be texting and driving like that. That's why I got my new dash cam, buddy. You see? See my truck there? There she is. There she is. See that? I would never leave my TRX Havoc Addiction out there like that if I was him. BMW 840i. Yeah, I wouldn't leave my TRX Havoc Addiction out there like that, man. I'm telling you, man, if somebody steals that TRX Havoc Addiction, done, son. Somebody gonna follow him all the way to his house. They're gonna come back with a tablet with the remote Peter Box programmer. And they're gonna jump and take the truck, and that's it. Look, new 4x2. Oh yeah. It's gonna be lesson learned. New F-150 trimmer. Rule number one. Get your company star Pro T13. And rule number 2, never leave your TRX Havoc Addiction out your driveway. Oh, I found him. And rule number 3, park your TRX Havoc Addiction in the car garage. Oh, I got you. I found you. Ooh, baby blue bumper matched with the color of it. Oh, nice. Hell yeah. That's exactly what I'm talking about. On the 2019 Tundra TRD Pro, Voodoo Blue. And you still have it. That truck 3 years old. Painted all baby blue. They got some nice houses. Hell yeah. There's a Mercedes G-Wagon. This all the rich people live at. Let me see, they got another house or something. That big house. Oh, there's a big camera. See the big camera? That's what I like. Hell yeah. Oh, look, new Sequoia. Oh, yeah, he just got it. Everybody got cameras on the house. That's good. That's good. Because a lot of people be breaking too many houses. Yeah, I'm just gonna drive around. Get my new car dash cam. Look, 4x2. Yeah, we'll turn back around. I don't see another house for sale. Yeah, it won't be long. They gotta have another house for sale here. Yeah, I like the big ball house right here. Yeah, but I don't like 2-car garage. I want 3-car. This one got 3-car garage right there. That's real. Yeah, I gotta see what's house I want first. Oh hell no! You're not speeding up behind me like that. I'm not gonna let nobody rush me. There's a bridge over here too. Don't let nobody rush you. Oh, there's more houses down here. What? There's more houses down here. Yeah. I don't see no another house for sale here. I'm gonna spin around. The girl was jogging. Yeah, it's hot up there, dude. Yeah, I'm just gonna spin around. Oh man, that house is sold. Somebody already bought it. Oh damn. Yeah. That's okay though. They got more houses for sale. They got plenty of houses for sale. They got plenty more houses for sale. But I like where we live right close to Scobie. I like where we live right close to Scobie. You see what I'm saying? Coming through, girl. Coming through, coming through. Yeah, you good. Yeah. It's okay though. Yeah. I like where we live though. Okay, this is Ballagowin Lane. Ballagowin Lane. Okay, this is Ballagowin Lane. Okay. I found a 2019 Tundra TR Depot Booty Blue. And it's got aluminum steel bumper and painted all booty blue to match it. And it's got the rear lights. Yeah.